Today's session we have to discuss about the static routing and default routing. Okay, already we have discussed about the IP address types, what are the types are available, and what are the things how to configure IP address. These are the things are discussed earlier. Okay, now we have to configure the static routing. Static routing and default routing, both of the things is manually assigned. There is no dynamic routing because we have to operate only minimum routers. Say for example, static router means we have to configure 4 to 5 routers and all, because we have to remember all the IP address and routes, everything. Okay, first one is there is no overhead for CPU and bandwidth, because CPU only process the routes and all. There is no need. Here there is no overhead, so that the bandwidth saves and the CPU processing time is very less. Okay, so here there is a security and scalability, because we have only 4 to 5 routers only, so we are able to monitor. Okay, disadvantage, it won't be helpful for the large networks, and you want to add any new routes manually, you have to configure. This is also possible for dynamically update. This is the static routing. What about the default routing? Default routing is nothing but, so you don't not interested to advertise whole routes, whole prefix. Okay, you have to just make it a connectivity. It is called stub router. This is stub router. The default routing is simply connected to the next step of a router or stub router. There is no routing table because it does not advertise any prefixes. Okay, it does not any prefixes. Okay, it is assigned only a next step address. Okay, yeah, we have to go for the lab, small lab. Okay, already I have made some statements here. Yeah, this one is a static routing configuration. I have the two routers. That is a router R1. So this is a client router. This is a ISP router. Okay, ISP won't interest to the advertise its routes. Okay, here client will update the routes to the ISP router. Okay. Yeah, this is the command for static routing. Ipv6 root. This is the prefix. This is the prefix of the client router. It is a local area connection. FC001 1:1:1/64. It is a interface address. Okay, so any address it will be there. Okay, this is the next step. Okay, it will be configured in the router 1. Here, this is a router 2. This is a router 1. This first static configuration we are going to configure router 2. This one is a default routing, and the default routing we have to configure Ipv6 root. So this is there is no prefix here. This is 0 refers to there is no prefix, as well as there is no subnet. Okay, only next step address. It is only making the connectivity to the stub network. Okay, simply we have to configure. This is the place. Okay, copy and go here. This is the router. Go for the CLI command. Yeah, enable config terminal. Okay, I want to paste this route. Yeah, I made it. Yeah, and show Ipv6 root. Yeah. This is the this is the output. Yes refers to static. Okay, FC001:1:1:/64. Okay, any number of address /64. Okay, same thing. I have to go to the router 1. I have to go for default routing. This is already I explained you. Yeah, this one is a client router. Yeah, we have to make it paste. Yes, and show Ipv6 root. Yeah, what will happen here? Also, it shows some difference value, but default root the administrative distance will be a 0, and here you have to go for ISP router. This one is a static route is advertised. This is called a router. This is a static administrative distance is 1. Okay. Can I make it ping? Yeah. This route I am going to take this one. Here command Ipv6 v6 config. Okay, get first address. Yeah. This is the address. This is the address. Because instead of typing all the things, you have to just make it a copy this one. I am going here. This one, ping. Yeah. Paste. Yeah. This pinging, the connected is okay. Yeah, connected is okay. Same thing, I have to go for the router too. Okay, I have to get this command Ipv6 config expand. Yeah, this is the one route. Copy, go here, ping, yes, paste, enter. Yeah, this pinging. Okay. Next we have to go for Ipv6 how to use the dynamic protocols. Okay. Next session we have to see. Okay. Thank you. Bye.